Yeah, welcome Mark here at the open house in Pfronten. So the whole portfolio, including all our automation and digital solutions, are on display, and so we can really go into detail with all our customers to discuss their needs and their new projects and investment plans.
And I think if you're in the market looking for a new solution, let's say, because we're not just talking about machine tools now, you're talking about automation, you're talking about software. When you look at the portfolio of machines that DMG MORI actually offers, 8,000 visitors here, I mean, they've got to be interested in buying your machines, I'm sure.
Yeah, we hope so, that many of them also take the decision during this week and place their orders here in Pfronten, or at least give us their plans for the future. So we will definitely have a successful week, even when we have some challenges with the weather beginning of this week. But as you can see, it's quite crowded, and we are happy to have so many customers and international delegations also here in Pfronten.
Now we're specifically looking here at a world premiere. Tell us about the DMU 658, DMC 95 monoblock, the PH cell, the DMU 210 FD HIC. What's good about this machine, Cornelius?
We have here laser scanners all around the system, and that is the big talking point, that the HEV and the operator can work in the same environment, and you have full cooperation between automation and manual operation of a machine.
Pfronten 2021, bigger, better?
Yes, of course. So we made big investments, what you saw already under construction in September. So last year we invested around about 20 million euro here in this plant in Pfronten, increased our assembly for the monoblock series. There we will also introduce a completely new assembly and production concept. So we call it now Excellence Factory Monoblock, and we will open that at the end of August. And in 2021, at the open house, we will then celebrate our 100 years anniversary.
Well, that's fantastic. I mean, the future's very bright at DMG MORI. Cornelius, thanks very much for the opportunity for MTD Global to actually come to this. It's been fantastic.
Thank you very much for your visit, and enjoy your stay here in Pfronten. Thanks.